two elements shaping the national identity of Lithuania. 1,000 years old, in the time of our granddads. And in the center, and timbre is also the product of the Lithuanian. So, Your Holiness, this is our symbolic gift to you. And
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Beautiful icon in the Basilica of St. Mary Major, where Pope Francis would go frequently, and where he was buried at St. Mary Major, but reminds the church, by tradition, considered to have been originally painted by the evangelist Luke, St. Luke, but the protection of Mary for all the people. And we have here a copy of the message of the World Day of Peace, which we were speaking about, how important it is that we all be constructors of bridges. And this book is a representation, photographic book of the different works of art that are contained here in the Apostolic Palace where we are at this time.
yes,
It's a beautiful
thank you.
presentation to
Thank you.
remember
Thank you so
because
much.
Thank you.